Hey, beautiful. I know you're so tired today. I know that you have a very busy and crazy days. But again, guys, don't look what you have right now. Always check what you will be having, right? In 5 to 10 years from now. So be still and know that He is God. Everything that you have right now, just enjoy it. You need to go through that process. If not, girl, oh my gosh, you're not gonna be growing. So again, you're still okay, you're still good. Even us entrepreneur, we have a lot of things going on, guys. You don't want to know it. Yes, but it's a matter of how you will be able to finish it. How are you be able to manage everything? And again, always remember that life is not a matter of perfection. It's about how you're gonna be happy in that.